Have you ever wondered why time only moves forward? Why don't we ever see a broken glass magically reassemble itself? The answer lies in one of physics' most fascinating and mysterious concepts called entropy. Entropy is a measure of energy spreading out. Imagine two metal bars, one hot and one cold. Heat always flows from the hot bar to the cold bar, never the other way around. This happens because entropy, the amount of disorder or energy spread, always increases. Physics allows a tiny bit of heat to flow from cold back to hot, but it's so unlikely that it never happens in the real world around us. It's like a Rubik's Cube. When you scramble it, it almost never solves itself. Entropy creates an arrow of time. Time only moves forward. But if entropy is always increasing, how does life exist? The answer is the sun. It gives us a constant stream of concentrated, organized energy. Plants capture that energy to grow, animals use it to move. Life actually speeds up the spreading of energy, turning organized energy into more spread out energy. From the Big Bang to black holes. The universe started with very low entropy in a huge explosion called the Big Bang. Since then, entropy has only increased. Stars, planets, and even black holes are part of this process. Did you know black holes have more entropy than everything in the observable universe? Scientists like Stephen Hawking found they even have a temperature and emit faint radiation. Entropy explains the arrow of time, why we move from past to future in one direction. It tells us why we never see an asteroid unsmash or a broken glass reassemble. And it predicts a far-off future, when the universe will be so spread out and uniform that nothing interesting happens anymore. The heat death of the universe. But don't think entropy is just chaos and doom. Between total order and total chaos is where things get interesting, where patterns form and life thrives. So next time you look at a clock, remember, time flows because entropy keeps increasing. And that's the greatest curiosity of all. Enjoyed this? Leave a like and subscribe for more curious videos like this.